If you love traveling but hate overpaying for hotels, flights, and cruises, then you're in the right place. Welcome to my HappiTravel full review, where I break down how this wholesale travel platform works, what makes it different from traditional booking sites, and most importantly, how it saves you serious money. As a HappiTravel and Rocket Gig member, I've seen firsthand how this platform delivers unbeatable travel deals without the gimmicks of an MLM or timeshare. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone who dreams of seeing the world, HappiTravel might just be the best travel membership you've ever joined. So let's get started with this HappiTravel full review and find out if it's really as good as it sounds. The leadership team behind HappiTravel and Rocket Gig isn't new to the travel or direct selling industries. With decades of experience, they have played pivotal roles in some of the most successful travel network marketing companies in the world. Meet the visionaries behind HappiTravel. Robert Oblon, with over 30 years in the health and travel and direct selling industries. Cameron Core, a well-known name in the network marketing travel. Cameron was a leader in what was once the #1 travel company worldwide. Michael Darling, the mastermind behind multiple travel ventures. Mike was one of the early innovators in wholesale travel platforms. Robert has a track record of building and leading top health and travel companies. His previous ventures have dominated the MLM travel space, and he has been a key innovator in bringing wholesale travel to the masses. A history of success and innovation. The HappiTravel team didn't just start this journey overnight. Their history together dates back years, navigating the complex landscape of MLM travel, wholesale booking engines, and direct selling. In 2015 to 2016, they recognized a shift happening in the travel industry and saw a massive opportunity. By 2017 to 2018, they began shaping a model that would later become HappiTravel and Rocket Gig. In 2019, they officially launched HappiTravel, focusing on wholesale travel without MLM gimmicks. Through the pandemic years, the membership base continued to grow, even when travel was limited, proving the strength of the platform. In 2024, HappiTravel merged with Nucleogenics, creating a next-generation travel and health lifestyle opportunity unlike anything else. Why this leadership matters. Many travel businesses have come and gone, but HappiTravel is built differently. HappiTravel as a wellness product. Travel isn't just about exploring new destinations, it's scientifically proven to improve your mental and physical well-being. What is HappiTravel? Simply put, HappiTravel is a wholesale travel membership that gives you instant access to massive travel savings. Unlike major booking sites like Expedia or Priceline, which mark up travel costs for profit, HappiTravel gives you wholesale rates on hotels, resorts, vacation rentals, and cruises. Save up to 80% or more. Flights, save up to 50% on first class, yes, even domestic airfare. They also have discounts on car rentals, transfers, tours, and activities. For only $29.99 per month, you unlock access to the same hotels, airlines, and cruises that big-name booking engines offer, but at significantly lower prices. There are plenty of travel clubs out there, but most of them are overpriced MLM schemes designed to fuel a compensation plan rather than deliver real value. Let's talk numbers because this is where HappiTravel shines. Here are some real-world savings examples. JW Marriott Las Vegas. Expedia and Priceline retail price is $314 a night. HappiTravel price is $194. Total savings on a 4-night stay is $600. Dubai Luxury Hotel, 10-night stay. Expedia and Priceline retail price is $12,255. HappiTravel price is $1,920. Total savings of over $10,000 plus. Aruba Luxury Vacation Rental Package for 7 nights. Expedia and Priceline price at $22,000. HappiTravel price is $7,344. Total savings of $14,000 plus. Aside from huge travel discounts, here are some extra perks of being a HappiTravel member. You get from HappiTravel 30 Happy Points per month earned for every dollar spent on the membership fee. This can be redeemed for free vacations. Happy Cash Wallet. Save money for future trips like a personal vacation savings account. VIP support. Unlike Expedia and Priceline, HappiTravel provides 24/7 customer support in case of booking issues. Global access. Available in 19 countries and climbing. While HappiTravel itself is not a multi-level marketing company, it does allow affiliates to earn money through RocketGig, its marketing partner. Earn $10 a month per referral. If you refer just 3 people, your membership is covered. Bonus commissions. A portion of membership fees contribute to RocketGig's community dividends, rewarding active affiliates. No selling required. People naturally want to save money on travel. You just share your personal link from the RocketGig app. Is it worth it? Let's break it down. Price: affordable at $29.99 a month savings. Discounts save up to 80%, ease of use. Simple no sales gimmicks or extra fees. Customer service. 24/7 customer service, live chat and phone. Earning potential. Passive income with referrals. For frequent travelers, HappiTravel is a no-brainer. The savings far outweigh the membership costs, and even occasional travelers can make their money back on a single trip. In this HappiTravel full review, we covered everything you need to know: how it works, why it's different, and how much you can save. If you're tired of overpaying for travel, this is your chance to start booking like a travel insider. Want the latest travel deals, expert tips, and wholesale vacation insights? Check out Travel for Wholesale, your #1 source for exclusive travel savings. What do you think? Would you use HappiTravel for your next trip? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.